Understanding Trumpet Technique. Mastering the Basics. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of music, specifically focusing on the trumpet. This majestic brass instrument has captivated audiences for centuries with its powerful and melodious tones. If you're an aspiring musician or just curious about this instrument, you're in the right place. We're going to break down the key aspects of trumpet technique, ensuring that you understand how to produce beautiful music with this instrument. So, let's get started. The journey of mastering the trumpet begins with understanding its structure and how it produces sound. The trumpet generates music through the vibration of the lips against the mouthpiece. This requires a combination of breath control, lip tension, and posture. Breath control. Strong and controlled breathing is essential. You must learn to take deep breaths and use your diaphragm to control the airflow. Lip tension, embouchure. The way you shape your lips, known as the embouchure, is crucial. It's about finding the right balance. Too tight and the sound may be strained, too loose and it may lack clarity. Posture. Holding the trumpet correctly and maintaining a good posture ensures that you can play comfortably for extended periods. Once you've grasped the basics, it's time to focus on articulation and tone. Articulation in trumpet playing refers to how you start and stop notes, which greatly affects the music's clarity and expressiveness. Tonguing. This technique involves using the tongue to start and stop notes. The tip of the tongue lightly touches the roof of the mouth or the back of the teeth, creating a clear, precise start to the note. Tone quality. This is all about the sound's warmth, richness, and consistency. It's influenced by your embouchure, breath control, and even the trumpet's quality. As you progress, you'll encounter more complex techniques that add nuance and depth to your music. Vibrato. This involves slightly varying the pitch of a note to add warmth and emotion. It's like a gentle, rhythmic pulsation that brings the music to life. Dynamics. The ability to play at different volumes, loudly, softly, and to make smooth transitions between them can dramatically enhance your musical expression. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards mastering the trumpet. Remember, like any skill, it requires patience, practice, and passion. Each note you play brings you closer to becoming the musician you aspire to be. We hope this video has shed light on the fundamental techniques of trumpet playing. Keep practicing, stay dedicated, and most importantly, enjoy the music you create. Until next time, keep those trumpets sounding beautiful.